Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. Assume that my mouse is not working, and so we will gonna use keyboards only to fix the issue. So firstly we need to type in Windows key. So it will go to the search bar, then type your task manager and hit enter. Then it will open this window. Now you can just press tab button and keep pressing tab button, and we need to go to the list in the application. Here we go. So first of all, once we are here, then open File Explorer and just press Alt tab to go back to on this window. Just press the right click button and click on restart. So it will refresh all the window and background as well. Now close it. Okay, just select the window and close it. Now again go to search bar, type your run and hit enter. Now type here devmgmt.msc and hit enter. Again just press tab button and keep use the down arrow button, go to mouse and other pointing devices. Press the right to expand the mouse and other pointing devices. Again just scroll down, expand this and update the drivers. Now hit enter and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one using Alt F4. Now simply go to search bar, type cmd here and type your gp update and hit enter. So it will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and once done simply type exit and restart the system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and you're good to go.